All right, let go, let go, let go, let go. God dang it. This man Philip is ugly. Vlog this.
Can I vlog?
Oh, sure.
Wait, I want to vlog.
What shall we say? Nothing.
Christian, where's the big
Hey,
bag?
Christian's
Man,
vlog.
it's right here.
Hey guys.
Man, the trash can.
Cleaning up, having fun. Cleaning montage. Let's start.
Oh, that light though.
I haven't seen a fish tank in forever, I feel like. Forever.
Dashing through the snow.
What's up, y'all? Man, turn that vacuum off, bro. You gotta hear what we saying. This man locked his key. Guys, I apologize. I keep forgetting to film like all the time, so I keep missing good moments. But
The part of us breaking in.
that's what I'm saying. Like we had to break into our room because this man like left his keys in there, and we were trying for like 20 minutes. I promise I'm gonna start recording longer so that I stop missing stuff like that. Isn't that right, Philip?
Yeah, man.
Gosh, man.
This reminds me of like
When I got my keys stuck in the
Split.
car. Oh, just kidding.
I was thinking about your car.
I was thinking about my car too.
Am I near it? Like
Yeah, you are, but you gotta. Can you not see?
lock picking skills.
So you gotta like loop it.
It won't bend. I don't have any more room.
Can you bend it right there?
hands pointed earlier.
Can you see?
You get both.
This guy
This.
man, point the
You
camera.
can get both. I can get both hands.
Locked his keys in that room.
If they can use a coat hanger to get the keys out of my car,
No. Yeah, that's wait. What?
Well, Ben, maybe we
So what are we saying?
the loop.
I feel like you're playing.
No, I'm for real. You can take it and just dump it.
All right.
You want to put that?
I'll pop the trunk. Put it in the trunk. What?
Bumps back there. Here.
All right. Well, guys, we're going on a trash run. This man Philip actually let me drive his car for like the first time ever. This is odd. Now, there's a story I'm going to tell you guys one day when the channel's a little bit bigger about how I crashed my friend's car when I was 15. So the fact that Philip is letting me drive his car is very surprising. It wasn't Philip's car that I crashed, but I did crash a car of a friend. And it was a total accident, but that is a story for another day. So if you want to hear that story,
Comment, like, and subscribe right now.
it was like Cheez-Its in there. I feel like I've advanced on the food chain. Man, Philip just let me drive his car. That's crazy. Hopefully that stays. Oh, dang, the camera fell. Oh man, I love vlogging. This is fun, new experience. Very, I thought I had a word, but I really don't, so yeah. Philip! Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Ew. Yeah, but hey, vlog.
It was about like what, maybe 3 years ago that Christian almost killed every single
Oh
person in
yeah,
this
they
parking
pointed
lot.
at me. I told them about that while I was driving. I was like, it's a surprise that you let me drive your car. But I told them I'm not gonna tell that story so I have more subscribers. So
True.
that's a story for another
so
day.
I'm not gonna tell y'all, but a lot of stuff happened right here. Almost death everywhere.
If y'all want to hear that story, share this video with your friends.
100
Like, comment, and
subscribers.
subscribe.
100
100 subscribers, I'll tell the story of when I crashed
Let's
the
do
car.
this. Let's do this for Christian, baby.
Hey,
Let's do
100
this.
subscribers.
What's the name of it? What's the name of your YouTube channel?
CW Value.
You heard that boy. He said CW,
CW
value.
value.
And he got the value because he's got Christ, and Christ is with Christian Wright. So let's
Facts,
go.
facts. Jesus is
Christ
good,
is
yo.
with
Oh
Christian
yeah.
White. So it should be CW.
Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all from the jump. I love God. So if you don't want to hear about how good God is, don't subscribe.
Hey, don't subscribe. Go ahead and drive off
But
a
if
little
you
bit.
if you love God, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, jump.
Hey, don't wreck my car, bro. All right, come on, go over here. All right, real talk. I know he can't hear me right now, but he gonna watch this probably when he edit video. I really don't know why I let that man drive my car. This man about to hit me.
This man loses like his keys 5 times a day. It's like a running gag almost. If I'm talking and I say something good, then I'm not gonna like not use it because you're belly man in the background.